Alright, language explorers, let's look at today's commonly confused words. So, principle, and principle. Principle. So, the principle, a fundamental truth or rule that is followed and applied in different ways. This is a fundamental principle about life. I know some principles about how to manage money. Manage money. They follow these principles. When dealing with life. Yeah. Read these principles so you can then learn how to use them throughout your journey. Yeah, these principles have to be followed. These principles help explain science and the universe. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, very good. The principal is the main one of something. He is the principal actor. They were the principal culprits. That was the principal idea. The main thing we're working towards. He is the principal leader. Everyone else looks up to him. Everyone else looks up to him. He's the principal leader. I am your principal teacher. Yeah. In fact, I'm the only teacher here. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So the main one of something, the principal computer, the principal book that I'm reading, and the truths, these rules, these fundamental rules that follow in life. Do this, don't do that. Go here, don't go there. Learn this, don't learn that. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use principle and principle in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.